guys, welcome to Summer Auto Parts. Today's video we are going to fit the pole lights for the Jeep Wrangler. And the last video is already show you guys this one is not available for the car 2013. So this pole lights is only available for the car after 2018, which is new mode. As we see, the pole lights already assembled. So what we are going to do today is just use sticker on the back side to fix on the top of the roof, and then to connection the wires with the car battery to get it power to see how it work after we finish the installation. So follow my videos and let's go to check the pole lights for Jeep Wrangler. Hey guys, welcome back to Summer Auto Parts YouTube channel, and we have already finished the installation of the pole lights of the Jeep Wrangler. As we can see, the pole lights LED is controller remote from this Bluetooth button, which is same as our Defender roof lights. And when we go off-road or we go hiking, we need to use this Bluetooth remote to control the pole lights to off and close and open. And we can find the full LED is so shiny, so that will help us to go to the off-road. If you have any question about the pole light, just feel free to contact us. And if you have any interest to developing the pole lights for any off-road car, just feel free to contact us. So thank you very much for your watching today, and see you next video. Bye bye.